Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you boys and girls are going to get to roll a jack-o'-lantern. Halloween is coming up soon, so I figured why not let you boys and girls be super creative and create your own jack-o'-lanterns. So, at each table, you're going to see that you have 4 of these roll a jack-o'-lantern papers. There's also going to be 4 dice at your tables. Hopefully you boys and girls can keep them on the tables very nicely. Make sure to be in control and use self-control when you're using them. So what you're going to do is you are going to use either the template that I have provided, and your substitute will be giving those out as well. You can do that, or if you're in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade and you want to create your own outline of your pumpkin, you can go ahead and do that on a blank sheet of paper, which your substitute will give you as well. If you're in 2nd, 1st, or kindergarten, I want you to use this just to make sure that you draw nice and big, okay? All right, so what we're going to do is you are going to roll the dice, and you're working by yourself, okay? So everybody has their own die to roll, and then you are going to roll, and whatever number you land on, you are going to create that part of the jack-o'-lantern on your picture. So I'm just going to real quick show you a quick little example, and then you boys and girls are going to get started. But I rolled a 2 first. So if you look over at the number rolled, you're going to see the number 2 means that I'm going to draw my nose first. Okay? Oh, you know what? Let's pause. You're going to write your name first, right? Just to make sure that you don't lose these beautiful creations. There. Okay. So that's what's going to be first on my paper. But then I'm going to take a black crayon. You are going to use a pencil, or if you want to use a crayon to start, that's fine too. But you're going to decide what type of nose you want. You do not have to do any of the noses that are on this paper. You should draw a nose, but you can do it differently than what you see on this paper. These are just suggestions, okay? So maybe I'm going to do just a circle nose. All right, so then I'm going to roll again. I've got a 3. So now I'm going to draw my mouth. And I like to give my pumpkins little teeth and missing teeth and stuff like that. There we go. Okay, gonna go again. Oh, I rolled a 2. So, am I going to draw another nose? Probably not. I mean, maybe you might make a silly nose, or 2 silly noses, but I'm just going to leave it with a 1. So, I'm going to roll again. Oh my goodness, I got a 2 again. How crazy is that? I'm not going to draw another nose, so I'm going to keep on rolling. Then I'm going to be able to draw my hair. Now, if you feel really strongly that you do not want ears, hair, or arms on your jack-o'-lantern, that's perfectly fine. But I do want you to make sure that once you are finished with drawing all of your parts of your jack-o'-lantern, that you finish your jack-o'-lantern. So maybe if I said I really don't want to do hair, I'm going to do the stem, and well, I'm going to keep on finishing all of the other pieces until I get done. But you definitely need to draw your eyes, nose, and mouth. So you have to make sure to roll a 1, 2, and a 3. After you're finished, so let's just pretend that I've rolled a 1. So I'm going to finish drawing my eyes. I like doing little eyeballs like that. Then you're going to be able to color in using crayons. You're going to be able to color in all of your work. I also want you to make sure that you put a background. You can make it a starry night sky. You can make it during the daytime. You could draw a couple little friends of pumpkins. Whatever you want. Be creative. Have fun. And make sure that you are good listeners today. And I will see you next week.